What's up everyone, this is the Roommate Investor. Today we're going to talk about a great strategy to find contractors while renting a home. This is a great way to plan and prep to start your real estate journey. There's always things that you can do beforehand before you actually start the game. With anything, whether that's, reading books, going to conferences, networking, there's always something you can do while you're waiting, whether you're waiting for your credit to increase, you're waiting for that qualification, more income, there's always steps to take. So if you haven't seen my video on how to find contractors, you can go ahead and click the video right here and watch that video as well. And now we're going to talk about how to find contractors as a renter. I want to make sure we're catering to all people. The best method I found was to when you're renting a home, you're going to have issues with your home as well. When you have issues, you're going to have to contact your property management. When you contact your property management company, they're going to send out a contractor to fix whatever issue you have. If you have a plumbing, they're going to send out the plumber, HVAC, send out the HVAC technician, and so on. When these people come to your house, these are the people that you should be networking with, talking with, gathering the information, because you're about to get in the game. Now, once you get in the game, you already have the contacts that you need to get your work done early on. You can also contact your property management team. If you find a nice person there, or just if they know you from over time, they will send you a list of all their contractors. You can also contact the property management companies in the area and just network, just talk, be friendly, and people will help you. You just tell them what you're trying to do. But if none of that works, the sure-proof way to do it is to talk to the contractors who are coming to your house. They will be your repair workers when it's time for you to buy your house. And they also have a network and connections. And we all know that good people know good people. So if they're doing good work for you, for the property that you're renting, then they're going to do good work for you when it's time for you to buy a home and start your real estate journey. If you have any other questions, follow, like, and subscribe. The Roommate Investor.